Hello, my name is Kai, and today I'm going to show you how to do a little modification to your Holga. This is what is called the Velcro mod, and essentially what it does is we attach Velcro to the camera body to make sure the back securely stays on. Now what I usually like to get is this little two-pack of Velcro. It has two 4-inch by 2-inch strips of Velcro, and it has, if you notice here, it says industrial strength, and that means it has a heavy-duty adhesive, so it will stay securely on the camera. You can pick that up at your local hardware store. And what I like to do with those 4 strips is cut them up. And each of these is about 1.25 inches. And what we're going to do with this is the hook end. The fuzzy end we're going to cut later. This is the part we're going to attach to the camera body. And you have to make sure you don't want to get too long, because when we attach this part here, you don't want to interfere with the shutter. So I would check it before you try and attach it to the camera. There we go. Okay, a little pressure. Front side. It's pretty much centered on the front here. On the back. Checking to make sure I'm lining up with the front. More to the left. Now this is the fuzzy side. What I've done here is, on one I've cut a little 1-inch strip off, and I'll show you why I did that in a second. This stuff also has a sticky back, and what I like to do is take it off and apply, on this case I have clear acetate applied. But you can apply almost anything. Make sure it's durable. I wouldn't use paper. But the way this works now is this will attach here and wrap around the front. This will attach here and wrap around to the back. There you go. Now, what I'm going to do with this little bit of extra hook I have, I'm going to make a little cover for the counter window. Now, there's 2 ways you can do this. You can cut 2 small strips and apply them to either side, and then this little fuzzy thing will attach across the middle, and that'll be your counter cover. What I like to do for a little more secure covering, I have 1.5 inch hook part that I cut off from the front that I've actually kind of left over from the front, and I measure out an area that is equal to the window area, and I cut that out with a razor blade, so I end up with something that looks like this. Now, I guess one of the disadvantages of doing this is that when I put this on, I can no longer see the numbers 12 and 16. I've been working with Holgas long enough, I know which side it is, but if you're kind of new to this, you might want to go ahead and just apply the 2 small strips on either side so you can leave the counter exposed. apply this just like that. And that little 1-inch fuzzy piece I had left over, that now is my counter cover. Now the reason why this part is important is that in bright sunlight, light striking the back of this little window will burn right through the red window, and it kind of essentially flash the film from the back. And there you go. One Velcro modded Holga.